Yesterday evening, I visited the Executive Engineer's Office of the PWD, Sri Bende, to request him to kindly look into the issue pertaining to water at Zuarinagar, Lamani colony. These people have been suffering for the last 10 to 12 days. They've been without water, and I request the PWD Water Division to kindly inspect the site and see what are the problems, what is the reason why the people are not getting water. And I have written a letter, as you can see here, I've written a letter to the Executive Engineer, PWD, Sri Bende, and I have also spoken to him on the phone and requested him to urgently find out the cause for this lack of water facility at Lamani colony and settle the issue. I have also requested him that until the situation is set right, to kindly provide water through tankers on a daily basis, because water is an amenity, a basic amenity without which no human being can live, and therefore it is not fair to the people of Lamani colony, to go with so many days without water. In fact, with respect to the water situation at Zuarinagar, I have written several letters, I've written about 3 to 4 letters to the PWD Water Division, and I have personally also discussed the issue because I want a solution for this problem at the earliest, and I want that the sufferings of the people at Zuarinagar and Lamani colony in particular be put to an end at the earliest. And of course, we are on the verge of going into the polls, and once the elections are over and God willing I am elected, I will definitely find a permanent solution to the water problems faced by the people of Goa, faced by the people of my constituency, Cortalim constituency, and I will ensure that specific areas where the problems are prominent and regular, these problems are taken care of and water becomes a daily commodity to the people.